Install PageOrg extension on Chrome. It will load bookmarks from your browser and create tags based on the folder name. Now we can search bookmark pages by text, domain, and tags. We can edit the bookmark title by double-click on it. And apply tags on multiple bookmarks. Or create a new tag and apply on selected bookmarks. Select multiple bookmarks and open them all at once. Preview bookmarks. Hide selected bookmarks. Restore or permanently delete hidden bookmarks. Search your browsing history by date range and keywords. Delete selected item, which will also clear them from your browser history. Bookmark and browsing history. Edit tag information. View all pages applied this tag. Remove the tag on this page. Pin the app and open bookmark page anywhere. Switch between tags, use left or keyboard. Bookmark current page with a new tag. Or simply bookmark it. Log in to sync local bookmarks with cloud. Install PageOrg app on your mobile to access your bookmarks on your phone. Want to take a screenshot on current page? Easy. Select and double-click the area of interest. Draw some text and graphics on it. Edit existing text. Download the screenshot. Or upload to cloud and get a shareable link. Share this link with friends or colleagues, and they will see this screenshot. Create a channel and share bookmarks and tags with your family and colleagues. Enter the email addresses of your family member. You can set their permission on this channel. Then on Bookmark Management page, there will be a channel picker. And you can share any bookmarks to that channel. Or you can share a tag with all related bookmarks to that channel. Then any channel member can access these bookmarks and tags. Install our app to access your bookmarks on your phones. You can also copy the link of your favorite app page to our app. and you can view them on your browser extension later. You can also share any app page to our app.